Right, so LG SK9Y soundbar, quotes 500 watts RMS. It's just a front soundbar with a wireless subwoofer to the bar. So let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so, and that is a heavy bar, Jesus. Let's have a look. So there's two upward firing speakers there. They'll be for the Atmos effect. Let's have a look at the front, and there's a series of speakers in the front grille. It's a heavy bar. Let's have a look at the back. Jeez. So HDMI TV audio return channel, HDMI in if you're looping something through like your Blu-ray, optical in from your TV, 3.5mm jack in, and your local area network, which I probably will connect. Let's have a look. So DTS, HDMI, Bluetooth and Dolby Atmos. And that's it for now. So what else is in the box? Let's just pop that there safely. So I guess that's going to be our remote and wiring pack. So 1x remote control. Nice and simple. I suppose the only thing we'll do on that is set it up, set our audio effects. After that it should be controlled by the TV if we're doing it via ARC. So down to the side, mains lead, which is figure 8 mains lead there. I'm guessing this is wall mount brackets, which is appropriate because I'm going to wall mount it shortly. So let's have a look. So I'm guessing that's going to be underneath the bar there. There's two of these. They're going to be the attachments to the wall, so we can get it level. I'm guessing it's going to come with a template, which it does. You can see it. So there's a paper template here for wall mounting as well. You may or may not use that later. Could be useful. Retaining screws, and that's to retain the bar to the brackets once we've got it wall mounted. So two of those there. AAA batteries for the remote. Tie up to your wires, so a couple of bits of paperwork. have a quick look. Warranty extended, probably not worth it. Instruction manual and a quick start guide, warranty card again. And that's the digital Toslink optical cable. But we're going to do ARC for the win. So this is going to be wireless to the bar, this subwoofer. It just requires mains. So this should be able to go anywhere in the room. Depending on preference, I suppose, they may advise the front or behind the chair, but I'll read and have a look. Quite a nice looking one. It's plastic housing, no chipboard there. That's a base port. Figure 8 mains in again. Pairing button to pair to the bar. I should imagine it will automatically be paired. And that's the front there with the LG logo. And I can just feel there, it feels, I don't know, 6.5, 8-inch woofer for a guess. Good bit of weight, and it feels pretty solid.